Hi guys, welcome to the official unboxing video from Fenix Lab. I am Matthew. I'm a product designer. Today I will show you the new pistol light. It is compact and easy to transport. This pistol light is the kind of compact style you can put on your pistol for home and personal defense. Plus, it is a ton of fun to use. Let's uncover the mystery. It's the GL19R. Check out the package. 1200 lumens output, 2 hours runtime, and it comes with a new high-power 8035 battery, plus 5 years free warranty and lifetime limited warranty. That's everything inside the package. Size 3-inch long, weight 100 grams with battery, aluminum body and head, plastic switch for comfortable touch, fully waterproof and recoil-proof. This is a rechargeable 8035 lithium battery, capacity 1100 mAh. Let's put in the battery. I will only recommend you recharge the battery with the USB Type-C charging port. Fully recharged will require approximately 2 hours. Special design QD mount, easy to attach on any wheel-equipped pistol. 2 wheel keys come with the light. Small one for Glock universal wheel, larger one for the 1930 wheel. You can put it on your AR as well. For your first time installation, you can use a small tool to adjust the side mount for tighten. Alright, let's see the operation. High switch is close to the slide, so your trigger finger is easy to push the switch. Single push to turn it on. Push again to turn it down. Left hand or right hand is the same. Tactical lighting is to press the switch and hold. When you release, the light will turn off, approximately half seconds. Activated strobe function. Strobe can be activated when the light constantly on. Just press and hold. The light will enter strobe mode. When you release, the light will go back to constantly on. If you wanted to pull the trigger, it is better to shoot under a clear light. Now, all that operation can be used by one hand, so when your other hand can support your gun, or grab a shield, or holding a dog, like the K9 officer. With both hands, you can select your brightness level from 1200 lumens to 350 lumens. Just keep pressing one side, don't lose it, then single push the other side. It will memorize the setting. Every time you turn on the light, the indicator light will turn on 3 seconds to show your battery power level. Also, when you're charging your light, it will show you the charging status as well. Last, it can be put inside the Surefire X300 Ultra holster. Not perfectly fit, but it will work. Alright, that's all for today's unboxing video. I hope you like it. Leave your comments below to Matthew. I will answer your questions. Bye.